Hi, my name's Kelsey with Design Concepts and welcome back to What's New. So this may seem like a funny question, but don't we all want freedom, even when designing? Today I want to show you the Sign Diva Dancer series from ZANEEN Architectural. This interactive product is a key concept to give a little bit of play for all your specification needs. The Sign Diva Dancer gives pleasant general lighting with its low-profile housing that can be adjusted at any time in the field to allow you to play with shapes. The unique pendant with flexible appearances is infinitely rotatable 180 degrees. The arm can be tilted by 50 degrees and the luminaire head itself can be tilted 90 degrees. The best part of this is it's all able to be done without tools. These functions allow the luminaires to be adjusted to completely individual positions, making it a perfect option for interior spaces that change over time. There are 30 housing finishes to choose from, 6 different Corona Shine rings, and 4 different optics that will allow you to be as creative as you wish, making differences in interior spaces. Discover the Sign Diva Dancer amongst other lighting products from ZANEEN by contacting us here at Design Concepts Inc. We're here to bring individuality and creativity to your projects with lighting. Make sure to give this video a quick thumbs up if you enjoyed it today and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be kept up to date on our manufacturer's latest lighting products and technologies.